Simple past in the passive voice. Hello everyone and welcome to this grammar lesson on passive voice. We have already made a video about the introduction of passive voice. If you haven't watched that video, go on our YouTube channel and watch it to understand what is passive voice, where to use passive voice, how to structure passive voice. Let's come to this video. Let's begin. We say simple past tense. What is simple past tense? Simple past tense is used to show a past action, an action which happened before now. So it shows a past action, something happened in the past, and mostly the time of this action is clear. It's a specific time in the past. In the structure of simple past tense, we always use a subject plus verb to, or the second form of the verb, plus verb object plus complement. This is the structure for simple past tense. In this structure, when we want to change to the passive, there should be an object, because a sentence without an object cannot be changed to the passive. So when we change it to the passive, this object of our sentence comes in the beginning. It acts as a subject, then was and were, the past form of to be verb, plus verb 3. Verb 2 changes to verb 3 plus complement. This is the structure of simple past and the passive. Active, passive. Hope it's clear. Let's jump to some examples. Let's say some examples to understand the meaning of simple past tense and the passive. The first sentence says, the actor impressed all audience last night. So we need to understand the subject here. What is the subject? The actor. What is the verb? Impressed. And the most important, which one is the object? All audience, this is the object. All audience is our object of our sentence. Last night is the time expression. Now, in order to change it to passive, this all audience comes in the beginning. It acts as a subject, then the rest of the sentence. All audience plus was and were. All audience, it's a plural subject. Then we have to use were. All audience were impressed last night. So, if we translate it in Dari, امو هنرپیشه امو هنرمند تحت تاثیر قرار داد تمام حضار شب گذشته. تمام حضار، تمام حاضرین در تالار تحت تاثیر قرار گرفتن شب گذشته. Active, passive. Sentence number 2. She removed a bottle from fridge yesterday. Now, here we have the subject, she. Removed is the verb. What is the object? Bottle. So, bottle is the object of our sentence. Bottle. From fridge yesterday. In order to make it to passive, we have to bring the object in the beginning. So, it's the bottle. It means it's specific. So, the bottle comes in the beginning. It functions as a subject. The bottle was removed from fridge yesterday. بوتل کشیده شد یا دور انداخته شد از یخچال دیروز. in the passive و در اکتیوش میگیم او دختر بوتل از یخچال دور کرد یا کشید یا دور انداخت. So the active form and passive form. She removed the bottle from fridge yesterday. Active. The bottle was removed from fridge yesterday. Passive. معلوم مجهول. Sentence number 3. The shepherd led the flock on a hill last week. This is the active form. What is the object of this sentence? The flock. This is the object. It comes in the beginning as a subject. The flock was led on a hill last week. So this is the passive form. Shepherd we say goes چوپان مگه راهنمایی میکرد یا میکشان امو رمه را به طرف یک تپه هفته گذشته. میگه امو رمه کشانده میشد به طرف تپه هفته گذشته. The first sentence is active, the second sentence is passive. This is all about passive voice in the simple past tense or simple past tense in the passive voice. Hope you understood the lesson and hope everything is clear. Make sure to change some more sentences from simple past tense to the passive voice to do not forget it later on. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best and talk to you next time. Inshallah.